This one here smells great. Which one? Smells like Mother's crazy sister Kate. Oh, you think so? Yeah, I do.
I'm calm. I know the secret. I know what's coming, and I know no one can stop me, including myself.
Do you target people who have been mean to you or unkind?
I kill people I like.
So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for.